Depletion of resources, pollution of land, water and air by industry brought the planet closer to a catastrophe. If the environmental trends do not change, the point of no return will be passed in just 2-3 generations. Back in the 70s, engineer Unitsky began developing a set of solutions capable to prevent a global tragedy. Based on the fundamental impossibility of creating closed production cycles, he comes to the conclusion that preservation of the biosphere and the sustainable development of the technocratic civilization is achievable only if the harmful industry is brought out of our common home, the planet Earth. However, to achieve this, it is necessary to ensure transportation of a sufficient amount of resources, equipment and people into space and back, which is impossible for the existing cosmonautics using rockets as a transport, since they are expensive, inefficient and environmentally dangerous. The team headed by Unitsky is developing a system capable of transferring into orbit up to 10 million tons of cargo and 1 million passengers per flight, a General Planetary Vehicle. One launch of such a vehicle is capable of doing something that would take thousands of years for cosmonautics. Such a large volume would not be possible either for alternative systems such as, for example, a space elevator, which would require at least a century of continuous work for this. The General Planetary Vehicle is a ring installed on an overpass that encircles the planet along the equatorial line. It is driven by a linear electric motor and rises into space due to the centrifugal force arising while moving in the channel of a belt flywheel, which also encircles the planet. Alongside with tremendous performance, the system is rather simple from the technical point of view, the design and all the elements of which are implemented in industry. Engine power will be 2.5 kilowatts per running meter. The weight of the structure is 1 ton per running meter. The cost of development and installation is only $1.5 trillion, that is 2 to 3 annual US military budgets, or $214 for each resident of the Earth. For example, the cost of a mobile phone is the same. Such is the cost of saving the planet. The efficiency of the complex will allow proceeding with a large-scale industrial space exploration, providing access to unlimited resources of the outer space, raw materials, energy, zero gravity and vacuum.